Welcome to Logic Bits. I am Vinod Kumar. In this video, we will discuss multiple inheritance part 2 video in Python programming language. I already uploaded part 1 video. The link is available in the I button. Please watch the video. After that, watch this video so that you can easily understand the concept. When the subclass inherits multiple superclasses that contain identical attributes and methods, due to this, in the subclass, we will encounter the issue of ambiguity. Ambiguity or repetition leads to confusion. Then how can we handle ambiguity? To handle ambiguity, we will use order of derivation. What is the meaning of order of derivation? It means in which order the subclass inherits the superclass. An important note, in multiple inheritance, a subclass can contain two or more superclasses. That is, minimum 2 superclasses, maximum any number of superclasses. Now we can move on to the example program. In this example program, we are using 2 superclasses. A is the superclass, B is the superclass, and we are using one subclass, C is the subclass. In superclass A, we have a method called display. Likewise, in superclass B, we have a method called display. Both superclasses A and B contains methods with identical names. The name of the methods are identical. In A also, the name of the method is display in superclass A. In superclass B also, the name of the method is display. Now we can move on to the subclass. C is the name of the subclass. The subclass inherits both superclasses A and B. The subclass inherits both superclasses because we are implementing the concept of multiple inheritance. In subclass, the subclass doesn't contain any attributes or methods. The subclass C is an empty class. To indicate a class is empty, we have to use the keyword pass. Later on, we can add attributes or methods. That is, class C is acting like a container. The class C is a placeholder. At present, there is no method or attribute. In future, we can add method or attribute. For the subclass C, we are creating an object. By using the object, we will call the display method. In this point, when the subclass inherits both superclasses A and B, here we have to encounter the issue of ambiguity. What is the meaning of ambiguity? Duplication, repetition. Because in this place, there are 2 copies of display method are available. One copy belongs to superclass A, another copy belongs to superclass B. Here in this place, 2 copies of display method is available. Now the Python interpreter will choose which copy. There is a conflict. To find out the resolution for this problem, we will use the concept of order of derivation. That is, the subclass in which order it will derive the superclass. Here B followed by A. The subclass C will derive the superclass B followed by superclass A. So based on the order, B will have more priority. The copy available in superclass B will have more priority. So when we execute the program, go to the run menu, run module, execute the program, press F5 or simply click the menu item. So the version available in superclass B will have more priority. So the message class B's version will be displayed in the output. Now we can move back to the program. So in this program, now I will change the order. A followed by B. A followed by B. We can save the program. Before executing, now the order is changed. A followed by B. So which one will get the priority? The version available in the superclass A will get more priority. So when we execute the program, go to the run menu, execute the program. Now the output is class A's version. Based on the order of derivation, the Python interpreter will find out a resolution. That's all for now. For more videos, please subscribe to Logic Bits channel. Thank you for your patient listening. We will meet in the next video. Thank you.